China sends 3 astronauts to Tiangong station.
Before details, please subscribe our CISNewsStudio1s channel. News details.
China launched 3 astronauts aboard Zhongrui to its Tiangong space station on a 6-month mission focused on scientific experiments and space maintenance. This mission marks another step in China's ambition to become a major celestial power. The crew, led by veteran astronaut Chen Dong and including newcomers Zhongrui and Wang, will conduct physics and medical studies, including research on regenerative flatworms. Protective gear will also be installed to combat space debris. China, excluded from the ISS, is seeking international partners and recently signed an agreement with Pakistan to train and send astronauts to Tiangong.
Do not forget to subscribe our CISNewsStudio1s channel and click the bell button to receive updated news.